Hello my dear friends and students. In my last tutorial, I had shown you the generation of docking parameter file with extension DPF. In this current session, I shall show you how to generate the map files and run the AutoDock. Running the AutoGrid and launching the AutoDock simulation will be demonstrated in two steps. In this step, grid maps will be generated that will be used in performing the docking. Here I will show you how to initiate and complete the docking. For running the AutoGrid, go to Run menu and click on Run AutoGrid. In this Run AutoGrid, you will need to provide these information: the working directory, the program path name, parameter file name, and log file name. For setting the working directory for your docking, you will need to browse here and set the path for your working directory. As you have already set your working directory in the second tutorial of this series, you don't need to browse here. For program path name, click on this browse button. This will open your working folder. In this folder, click on AutoGrid4. AutoGrid4 is the executable file that you had pasted in this working folder in tutorial 2. Press open. Repeat the same for parameter file. Browse here and select this gp.gpf file. Click open. Down here is the automatically generated cmd command for running the AutoGrid4. This cmd command can be run by copying it from here and pasting it in cmd window. After providing these information, press the launch button. The AutoDock process manager will start running. This will take a few minutes. The AutoDock process manager will generate a number of map files in the working directory. If you want to check the progress of AutoDock process manager, go to the working folder and check whether the map file are generated or not. If the command is running, the map files will be generated here. The AutoDock process manager will take some time. Wait until the manager closes. Closing the AutoDock process manager will indicate and show that the running of the AutoGrid have successfully completed. Now you can see that our AutoDock process manager has been closed. At the end of AutoGrid run, you will see that various new files with the name of map are generated in the working directory. Let me show you this file in this working directory. Here you can see map file, map file, map file, map, and so many. These files can also be identified from this type of file. To run AutoDock, go to Run menu and click on Run AutoDock. Here again, all these options are the same as you have seen for AutoGrid. You can provide all these information by browsing from these buttons. First of all, browse here and select AutoDock4. Click Open. Again, click on DP extension DPF. Press Open. In the similar way, you will see here that log file name will be generated automatically. This will result in the generation of DLG file at the end of AutoDock run. Down here is the CMD command. After providing all these information, press this launch button. The AutoDock manager will start running. You can see here that this is running. When your cursor will reach here, this will blink. It means that the AutoDock processor manager is running. This will take some time. Depending on the number of runs, the size of our protein structure, and the power of your computer, it will take from 5 to 15 minutes. If you are using the same protein that I am using for this demo, this process of AutoDock run will be completed in more than 10 minutes. To check the status of docking, check the working directory where a DLG file will be generated. Let me check the directory. Look for DLG file. Here is the DLG file, DP and DLG file. Open this DLG file with Notepad. Check the end of this DLG file. You can see that run 3 seed. This shows that the run is in progress. While setting the genetic algorithm parameters in the 6th tutorial, we had set the number of GNN as 10. You can see here 10 GA, and here you can see that the third run is in progress. To complete all the 10 runs, this will take some time. Wait until the AutoDock process manager closes. The closing of this AutoDock process manager window will show that the run is successfully completed. Let's wait till this AutoDock process manager closes. You can see that the AutoDock run has been completed. At this point, the docking can be repeated for control ligand using the same pocket and starting from the step of the tutorial number 4. The results of the control ligand can then be compared with the query molecule. Now check your default folder. This DLG file is important for analyzing the results of your docking. In the coming tutorial, I will be analyzing the results of this docking. For analysis of the docking result, the tutorial is available on my YouTube channel with the title You can watch this tutorial by searching on YouTube search engine or by clicking the direct link given in the description of this tutorial. Thanks for watching and bye till my next tutorial, analysis, interpretation and visualization of the results.